everybody, welcome to Shopping with Shana. Hey guys, we are here today checking out our Kroger Advertised deals that are going to start on Wednesday, November 17th. And just a reminder for this particular ad that it is going through Thanksgiving. We'll get a new ad starting on Black Friday or November 26th, which is unusual. We normally get our ads from Wednesday to Tuesday. So we have lots of Thanksgiving deals that are happening. I have several deals this week that are advertised that we know about that are going to end within the first day or two. And then I have some freebies. I never have freebies. Like every once in a while I'll have a freebie from the advertised deals. I have 2 freebies for you. So lots of really awesome deals that are going on. So let's check them all out. Make sure that you're subscribed to my channel. Ring the notification bell. Hit all so you don't miss any of my videos that I put out. Of course, tomorrow I'll have a must-do deals video for you. Make sure that you are subscribed so you'll get notification right away when that pops up, and that way you don't miss any of those amazing deals. So let's get going and check this all out. First thing we're going to talk about are all the advertised deals. So the way this video is going to work is anything that's in the ad I have gone through and kind of matched up or found some pretty decent deals for you that I want to make you aware of, so that if you don't want to wait for my must do deals video, if you're going to head to the store as soon as the store opens, you can grab these deals right away. And that's why I'm getting this video out a day early for you, so you can grab these. There are several deals that are only on Wednesday, so you want to make sure that you do head to the store at least on Wednesday. So let's check these out. So the first one here is the Jet Puffed Mini Marshmallows. They're regularly priced $1.59. They're on sale for $1.25. You do have to pay that out of pocket. Submit to Ibotta for $1.48 back on one. It's a limit of one time. Now it is expiring on the 20th, and it's really the 19th because it's like at 2 in the morning or something on the 20th. So you want to make sure that you grab this within the first 2 days. 2 days, 3 days, something like that, 17th, 18th, 19th, yeah, so through Saturday of this week to get your freebie. I know I put this deal in my Meyer video. If you like Meyer, definitely go check out my Meyer video. I have a must-do deals video for Meyer. It's also a freebie and moneymaker, but this is a bigger moneymaker for you. And you also don't have to wait till Wednesday because the current sale price for these Jet Puffed Mini Marshmallows is currently $1.25. So you could grab these right now. You don't have to wait until Wednesday. But free and a 23-cent moneymaker, you want to make sure you grab these. I said this in my Meyer video, but I'm going to be grabbing mine for sure because every year our elf on the shelf has a snowball fight with all his friends. So I'm going to need my mini marshmallows for my snowball fight, and a free marshmallow is the best. So make sure you grab these. Next, we have the Challenge Butter. These are regularly priced $4.79, so we have a great sale price of $2.99. Plus, their website has a 50-cent off on one printable coupon. I'll have it linked in the description box below, so check that out for me. Out of pocket, you'll pay $2.49 each. Submit to Ibotta for 75 cents back on one. It's a limit of 5 times. Final cost is $1.74 each. Really awesome deal there, and I should have wrote this down. Somebody pointed it out about the Challenge Butter to me, about the Ibotta rebate in my ad preview video, and I forgot to write down who that was, but whoever that was, big shout out to you. Thank you so much. Let me know in the comments so I can give you credit. All right, so let's check out the next deal. Okay, next deal we have here is the Jell-O gelatin or instant pudding mixes. These are regularly priced $1.59. We have a slight savings on the sale with $1.50. You're going to pay that $1.50 out of pocket, and then you can submit to Ibotta for 25 cents back on one. It's a limit of 5 times. Not a huge savings here, just a little bit, but if you're going to purchase this product anyway, you're going to get the Ibotta rebate. That's going to go towards any kind of bonuses you might have. Of course, many of you are going to buy this for Thanksgiving. And have your Jell-O or have your pudding pies or something like that. I love pudding pie. I might make one since I'm cooking at Thanksgiving this year. But either way, $1.25, great deal here. This is another really sweet deal that you do not have to wait until Wednesday to go do, because currently Cool Whip is on sale for this price. Now it's regularly priced $1.99. It's on sale for $1.25. So you do not have to wait till Wednesday. If you are out there on Tuesday, go ahead and grab this just to be sure. Out of pocket, you're going to pay the $1.25, and then you can submit to Ibotta for 75 cents back on one. It's a limit of 5 times. Now, mine is showing 2 days left, which means that I have to grab this on the 17th. The it actually expires 11/18 at like 2 in the morning. So I'm not going to be at the store at 2 in the morning buying this Cool Whip. So it's really the 17th that I have to grab this. Final cost is going to be 50 cents. So you do have Tuesday and Wednesday to grab this deal. I hate the fact that all of these deals are just getting ready to expire, but hey, at least we can get them as long as we get to the store. Next, we have a deal on the Swanson broth. Now, these are the 32-ounce Swanson broths. You know that we were getting the canned broth for 49 cents during the mega sale. So this is if you're wanting the bigger ones. They're on sale for $2, and we have a 50-cent off one in Smart Source 11.7. So your final cost is going to be $1.50 each. So you might want to kind of, before Wednesday hits and we can't get the Swanson canned broth in for 49 cents anymore, you may want to kind of do some math and see if it makes sense to buy enough cans to equal 32 ounce or buy a 32 ounce for $1.50. Either way, at least we have this sale price. Next deal we have is a no coupon deal because there are no coupons out. I was shocked that we do not have General Mills cereal coupons. Like, seriously, what is going on? Now, that's not to say that on Wednesday we might not have one pop up as a digital, or have coupons.com pop one up or something like that, or even get some on Sunday. A lot of times we see these coupons pop up on Sunday, especially printable coupons, that kind of thing. So, I was hoping to grab 4 cereals for $8 plus get my free milk, but that's just not happening. But it's still a pretty decent deal. You can grab 4 General Mills cereals, Cascadian Farm cereals, or Nature Valley bars. And then, of course, the regular price is going to vary from product to product. And grab 1 gallon of milk. My milk gallons are currently $2.99. Obviously, yours would vary region to region or wherever you're at. I know milk can be very expensive, especially I know when I went to Florida at one time, it was like $4 a gallon. I was shocked at how expensive it was. And that was a few years ago, before we had the inflation that's going on right now. So anyway, you're going to pay basically $2.50 each when you buy 4, or $10 total, or $2 each for each product, each cereal and the milk. So that's going to give you some savings there. Again, I'm going to hold out and hope to see either a digital coupon pop up or printable coupon or something to use on these General Mills cereals. I'm very shocked that we don't have anything. So fingers crossed we're going to see something to bring that out of pocket a little bit lower and make it a better deal. Next deal we have here is the Pillsbury Grands Biscuits or Crescent Rolls. And this deal is also currently going on. So you do not have to wait until Wednesday. You can do this on Tuesday. So these are regularly priced $2.49. They're all on sale for $2 each. You're going to grab 3 of them. Use the $1 off 3, either digital coupon or there's one in Smart Source 1024. So your final cost is $5 total or $1.67 each. And I don't think that's a terrible price for your Grands Crescent Rolls or biscuits. So let me know if you're going to be grabbing this. And again, you can go do this today if you wanted to. Okay, so let's talk about some weekly digital deals. So these are coupons that you're going to get. They're only for the week, which it's going to be a little longer than a week this time, so you get all the way through Thanksgiving to use them. You can grab up to 5 items in the same transaction. You do have to load the digital for it to come off. And because it is a store coupon, you can stack these with manufacturer coupons or rebate offers and things like that. So let's check out the 2 matchups I have for you. First and foremost, the Sara Lee Steakhouse Roll bread here, 12 count, regularly priced $3.79. It's on sale for $2.49, but we have a $1.97 5-time weekly digital coupon. You're going to pay that out of pocket. Submit to Ibotta for $1 back on 1. Now, again, this is expiring on the 20th at like 2 in the morning, so you have to get these done by the 19th if you're wanting to do this deal. So you only have a couple of days. Then you can submit to Fetch for 250 points. Again, this one is actually expiring on my account on the 17th, so check your account. And a lot of times these Fetch things, if you don't grab them before they expire, they'll renew. So I found that, but mine has already renewed because I didn't get to grab it when I wanted to, but I had up to 5 of them last time. Now I only have 1 offer. So that's kind of a bummer. But final cost is going to be 72 cents. Now, again, if you are just wanting to go ahead and grab them currently on Tuesday before this sale goes live, it's only $1.99 after mega sale. So you're only going to save 2 cents if you wait till Wednesday. So if you're just wanting to go ahead and get to the store, grab these before that fetch expires, that type of thing, you can still do that, and it's only a 2 cents difference. It'll be 74 cents as opposed to 72 cents. So not a huge savings there between weeks. However, if you're going to wait till Wednesday, you're going to get a little bit better deal. So again, be mindful that some of these rebates are expiring. The next one we have here is the Axe deodorant or body sprays. They're regularly priced $4.79. They're on sale for $4.49 each. And we have the $2.47 each 5-time weekly digital coupon. Now, I'm not positive if this is going to be one coupon or if they're going to split them. I'm going to guess one coupon. So you're not going to get 5 sprays or 5 deodorants or something like that. And we also have the body washes included, but we don't have the Ibotta rebate for the body washes. So what you're going to do is use the 3 off 2 and save $11.07, or there is a $1.50 off 1 digital coupon. They will stack. So load that digital coupon and load the 5-time weekly digital coupon, and they will both come off. Or you can use the $2.50 off 2 printable coupon or the $1.25 off 1 printable coupon. I'll have them linked in the description box below. However, with these digital coupons, or I'm sorry, the printable coupons, sometimes they're gone. So if it's not popping up, that means that the print has ended on those, okay? Out of pocket, you're going to pay 97 cents each. Right there is a great deal. But then Ibotta has some rebates for you, $1 back on 1 for both products. So if it happens to be 2 different digital coupons, you could have a pretty awesome deal here and get lots for free. Final cost completely free. So there's your second freebie of this video. Super excited about this deal. If you like this deal, give me a great big thumbs up, because this is the end of the video. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give me a great big thumbs up. Let me know in the comments what your favorite deal is or which one you're going to be running to the store to grab on Wednesday. If you're following me on social media or not following me on social media, make sure you do that. I have them all linked to the description box below. Printable coupons and all that good stuff is also in the description box. Have a wonderful week. Happy Thanksgiving!